Hi, this is lesson number 51 from our Photoshop training series. In this exercise, we are going to learn how to slice strawberry this way using very simple and easy trick. This type of image manipulation you can see on Instagram, in YouTube shorts. So let's get started. Here in my screen, this is the final result. And here I have two images. This is the front view of strawberry on the white background, and here I have sliced piece. For your practice purpose, you can easily Google these images. You can type circle sliced strawberry and strawberry on the white background. So the first thing, we are going to create the background. Let's create new document. Click on File, New, 1000 by 1000 pixel, that is enough. Let's add the gradient. Here we have a layer palette, and background layer we will fill with the color. Our foreground color is black. We will change. Click here and choose some soft gold shade. Click on gradient tool, radial gradient mode. Click and drag from the center. So this is how we have a simple background. Come back to this image. We need to make selection around. Since we have sharp edges, we can use quick selection, object selection tool, and simply click and drag, make marquee selection around. Automatically Photoshop detected the edges. In this area here, we need to subtract a little bit. We'll use polygon tool. In order to subtract selection, you need to press Alt key. This is how we subtracted the area. Now the selection is there, background is selected. Click on Move tool and simply click and drag. So here we have. Adjust the size the way you want. You can place it, hit enter, and now we can close this image. Let's slice it first. Layer is selected. Click on polygon tool. Little bit slant, you can slice this way. Now in this area we have selection. Layer is selected. If we will press Ctrl J, the selected area will be duplicated in the new layer, but it's remain in the main layer. So we don't need this. Ctrl Z to go back. If we want to move this area in the new layer, we will use another shortcut, Ctrl Shift J. What does it do? It will move that area to the independent layer. Now here we have strawberry on two layer. On layer 2 we have upper portion. On layer 1 is the lower part. Let's turn off this layer and select the layer 1. Once again we are going to slice. Click. To make it straight, you can press Shift key. Now this area is selected. Layer 1 is selected. Once again press Ctrl Shift J, and here we have center part of the strawberry. Basically we have here three independent layers. This is the first one, second, and third. Now we are going to move each part. Click on Move tool. Just like this. Let's bring the sliced view. Click on this image. Once again, quick selection using object selection tool. Click and drag. It is selected precisely. Click on Move tool and bring that part on the background. Let's reduce the size and start from the wider area. Here we need the big one. If you can stretch directly, just stretch it. In my case, I need to press Shift key. Instead of giving rotation, you can press Ctrl key and directly distort the image this way. It is quite easy. Hit enter and see if need further adjustment. I think it is okay. Now we are going to copy. Press Alt key, click and drag, reduce the size, press Ctrl key and adjust corner to corner from the both sides. Hit enter. Once again, we are going to duplicate by pressing Alt key. That's all. Now if you want to organize a little bit more, the related layer you can link. Select these two layers, layer 4 and layer 2. We can locate this close to the layer 2 here. Press Ctrl key and click on the layer 2, right click and link layer. Now we can move both together. Same thing we can do with these two. We need to link layer 4 with the layer 3. Let's relocate. They are together. Press Ctrl and click on layer 3, right click, link layer. And same thing we can do with these two elements. Bring it down. Layer 1 and layer 4, copy to, we need to link. Press Ctrl and click, right click and link layers. Now basically we have three main element linked layer, 1, 2, and here we have the lower part. To make it a little bit more realistic, we can add shadow. Click on background layer and create new layer. Make sure that your foreground color is black. Click here, click on brush tool, and here you can change the brush tip this way. Make sure that you have soft brush, hardness is 0, that is fine. New layer is selected and simply click. Color intensity you can control by opacity, and that's all. So this is how we did this beautiful image manipulation. We turn 2D object in such way that it looks 3D. Use similar image for your practice. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload new video. Thank you.